Let's open and see what's inside. Open! Surprise! Wow! Wow! I like this. Here we have farm animals. Let's look and see each one of them. This is a goat. Goat. What the sound does goat make? Do you know, Kyra? Yes, goat goes. Good job. Let's see what is this here. Kyra, do you know what kind of animal is this? Yes, it's a dog. Good job. What the sound does dog make? I know. Good girl. Let's see what's next. I have this animal. Do you know what do we call this? Yes, it's a horse, Miss Azza. A horse. Do you know what the sound does horse make? Yes. Good girl.